Okay, I'm chasing threads with tap because all these bolts came loose and it chingered up some of these holes. So, chasing it, and the tap is a 1/2 inch by 20. Get it all cleaned up, get it ready to go, and I'm going to make sure I use Loctite this time. Make sure they're all tight. Because I do not want this to come apart again. Alright, I'm going to put her together. I believe you have 411s and up, you got to use a spacer. There's a carrier brake. 411 and down, you could just put the ring gear on there. 411 and up, you got to use a spacer. And slightly longer bolts. So I just set this on there, and then this goes on there. Make sure I use Loctite. Oh, this already has Loctite on it. This has some kind of bolts we got from Nutty Bolt. You know, I believe these bolts already have like a Loctite on here.
Alright.
Putting the differential back in. And the shims should just be the same. So the shims are in the same position. Now, the problem is just roll it up in there and get her in. There. Oh, come on. Oh, no. All that good. Okay.
I'm good.
I'll smell 5 thousandths. 6.
You got this.
Here's my gauge. That's very little. See how that runs now. Alright. We just RTV put those in, call it a night. I'll put the dust cover on it and just tape up the hole on it. And we're going to weld the diff cover. This is steel. I don't want to buy a new one. This is an off-road toy. If I can weld it and get her on there, I'm going to do it.
Oh, alright.
Okay, let's. Okay, I'm going to hammer this out and weld it. That's where the bolt came through. See if I get away with it. I probably will. Okay, I got it hammered. And I'm going to weld that big old hole and see if she holds. Is the water in here? In the trash. Probably in the trash.
No, it actually had water in it right there.
Where?
Spray bottle.
The water?
It might have a little bit of just Dawn just over it.
That's what she is. place for a leak yet. Okay, water. Filled up. Got it. Thank God.
Good job, Ben.
Yeah, it was leaking out where I didn't even think there was a crack. It must have been like a hairline. But yeah, she's dry. All dry. Takes a little bit of work. There was hairline cracks I couldn't see. It chewed up the metal on the inside really bad. But we look good. She's not leaking. No leaking. Okay. She's done. I shouldn't rub on the inside. It should clear. I think she's good. The setting was 1B. Now I can. All finished.